We won a game against Manchester City. Everyone praised the players, especially Bruno Fernandes, Bryan Mbeumo and Dogu. However, we are forgetting somebody who is the mastermind of this game, and that is Michael Carrick. Let's give Michael Carrick his flowers bwana. Amejaribu sana, especially this is his first game. He came into this game with the mindset of winning and he delivered. I can't remember when the last time we played such a good game. This is one of the best performance we played since the league started this last year. Do I think Amorim would have delivered the same way? I don't think so, because alikuwa amelose the dressing room na amelose the players. I don't think they would have performed better. Maybe the best it could have gone is probably a draw. The next game, I think the only change that is going to be there ni maybe Mazraoui, because they are playing AFCON final, and once ikiisha he's going to come back, and that right back is going to be more solid. At the back, Maguire and Lisandro Martinez showed us that they still have it, especially Maguire. I actually think Lamens was also good. He didn't have a lot of work today, and which is good, by the way, because Spendangi goalkeeper ana perform in every game. I like the defense. Unajua midfield ikifanya kazi vizuri and the defense pia ikifanya vizuri, the goalkeeper really has little to no chance of outperforming that much. Yes, that's what we want. So going forward, hizi games zingine, I guess we are going to see some good results, especially team kubwa kubwa, na saa hizi tuko na potential. Sasa tunapigania tu top 4, and our biggest threat at the moment ni the likes of Liverpool and Chelsea, manake wao wako nyuma yetu na Liverpool wako mbele yetu na point moja. So if you are a Man United fan, kindly subscribe and follow for more content like this.